Hi. So those of you who are asking Kelechi, why is it that all your properties are 250, 300, 400, 600 million? I got you covered in this particular video because today, tomorrow, next tomorrow, in short this week, I'll be giving you properties that are less than 150 million naira. I'm out for you guys. So if you fall in that category, come closer because you will like this one. This is a 4-bedroom, fully detached duplex here in Ajah of Lagos, and is going for 140 million naira. It has global CFO. It has approval. Then you can see that it's in a beautiful, serene neighborhood. You can see. You can notice that the road is paved already. And you can see that the both side drainage system has already been constructed, guys. And in this house, we have 3 units of this 4-bedroom, fully detached duplex. The last one is gone, so remaining these 2 here, guys. So let me walk you in. So this is the entrance of this beautiful house. It has this gate. You can either open or you go through the pedestrian. You can look at the house. So we are in now. You can see the compound and the interlock system here. So you are a type that is looking for a house that has a security post. This is it. This is the security post. You can see that the compound is a bit massive. You can park you 3 cars comfortably. You can park one over there, another one here, then one here. And the security post is fully furnished. It has the toilet and bathroom. Okay. So, and you can see the fence. If you want, you can actually raise your fence. The person that bought there, you can see that has raised his own fence. So it's up to you. If you want to raise your fence, you can actually do so. Okay. It's a nice, beautiful place. So this is the changeover. So what I'll do now, guys, I'll walk you around. Then I'll now come and we'll go and check the house together. So let's go. So you can see there's a little space at the back. There's a space. You can see there's a space at the back here, and it comes with this boys quarter here. So this is the boys quarter. Okay. So it has a security post. So if you kind that has maybe a cook or a nanny, can stay here while the security guy says that the security post. So you can see it's a nice place. So this is the kitchen exit here. Okay. So definitely you're seeing that it's a nice 4-bedroom and the space is not that small. Okay, guys, we are going in right now. So from here, we enter this space, guys, with this beautiful light here. Okay, then this is the door to this beautiful 4-bedroom. So the living room area. Let me show you the overview. So we have 1, 2, include the dining window. You see, I'll have 1, 2, 3 window here for cross ventilation, guys. So this is the visitor's toilet. And see, that's the WC. And this is your wash hand basin. Guys, check out the TV console, the POP design, and the inbuilt lights for this living room area. Okay, you can see that the rooms are quite spacious. So guys, this is the dining area. Look at the POP design of the dining area. But this is, you can see the dining space here. It's quite spacious, right? Then this is the guest room. It has a double window, 1, 2. Then this is the wardrobe. This is where your television will be for the guest room. Then this is the toilet, so it's like a store as you're building, so it has not been cleared. So this is the guest room toilet, okay? So this is the kitchen. Let me give you the overview. So what we have here is kitchen island. We have the microwave here and the oven, the burner. This is the heat extractor, the sink, the washing machine. Okay, the washing machine. So you see our space where you can put the fridge. And this is the kitchen exit here. Beautiful, right? So let's go. So please do not forget that this is Kelechi of Kejime Properties Limited, a real estate consulting firm that is based here in Lagos, that is making sure that you have real estate investments that are free from any form of government encumbrance and peace of mind. So this is the family lounge. It has two windows here, plus this window here as well. I can actually allow ventilation to come through this side, so there'll be a cross ventilation here at the living room. Have this family lounge, and this is where the television will be. So you can use here as your family lounge, or you can use here as your gym space and put your gym equipment here. It has enough space to accommodate that. So you can use it for the lounge. And up here we have 3 bedrooms. I've seen one downstairs already. So let's see this. See the second room. Let me give you the overview. So this one has double window. And see, 1, 2. Okay. This is the spot for your television here. So this is where the bedside will be. Yeah. Okay. Then we have this wardrobe. Then the POP design and the inbuilt light as well. Then this is the bedroom. This is your wash hand basin. This is your WC. Your shower. Then the water heater is here to be fixed. So this is the third room. This is the third room. The same with what we just saw now. It has a double window. 1, 2. So I mean it's 4, but let's call it 2. 2 each side, 2 this side, making it 4 windows. Then this is the wardrobe. The spot for your television here. And this is the POP design and inbuilt light. Then this is the bedroom. This is the wash hand basin. This is your WC. This is the shower area. Then the water heater here to be fixed. But the space is there already. So let me know what your thought is. So here, just for those of you who are actually looking for anything less than 150 million. So this is the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. This is the overview. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 windows here for enough ventilation, guys. Okay. Then this is the wardrobe. The POP design. And this is the TV console. This is the TV console. This is the balcony. This is the balcony for this house. Okay. We have quite spacious, and from here you can actually take a look at the environment. Okay. So this is the bedroom. The washroom basin. That's WC. The shower area. Then the water heater space there. So guys, we've come to the end of the tour. So let me know what your thought is concerning this 4-bedroom, fully detached duplex here in Ajah, Eyes of Lagos, selling for 140 million naira. So give Kelechi a call on the number that is on your screen so that I can bring you here for site inspection and closing of deal. If you're new to my channel, guys, please subscribe, hit the notification button so that whenever we make subsequent video like this, you'll be the first to receive it. And our returning subscriber, I will say kudos to you. So keep watching and keep sharing until we come your way again. Thank you.